Guys, ito na naman tayo. Magbablog. Si Jujos with the cute. Medyo pumayat kasi nagkasakit tayo. Anyway. Vlog tayo dito yung kay Alexa. Medyo anong to. Kumbaga, ito na yung may bago tayo natutunan. Yung Alexa blueprint. Pabaguin may answer. Tapos voice activated password. Voice activated siya. Tapos nabago na yung mga answers. Medyo ngayon ko lang natutunan. Tapos ang ginagawa ko yung dictator project. Big version. First part pa lang. Nagsisimula pa lang. This is it. Okay, testing ano siya, edited na siya. Hindi na siya yung puro okay ang sagot. Mayroon na siyang iba. Okay, testing. Alexa, launch the dictator project.
Affirmative.
Okay.
Annie, launch the dictator program.
Yes, Mom. Welcome to the Dictator Project. Choose your control. Manual or automatic.
Okay, tapos pinapili tayo. I choose Alexa, automatic control.
Okay, sir. Good choice. You chose automatic control. But if you change your mind, you can say the manual passcode directly. Now, password required. What's the password?
Ayan, kunyari mamaliin muna natin. The password is Alexa, flower boy.
Incorrect. Again, password required. What's the password?
The password is Alexa, peanut man.
Incorrect. Again, password required. What's the password?
Alexa, password, pussycat.
Incorrect. Again, password required. What's the password?
Ito na, sasabihin na natin. Alexa, open sesame. Ay, Alexa, open sesame.
Password confirmed. Annie, open sesame.
Password correct. Initializing. Automatic control in T-minus 54,000 seconds. Counting. 54,000. 53,999. 53,998. 53,997. Blah. 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 Please talk to Alexa to restart.
Okay, hindi automatic yan. Tapos kanya nagagalaw yan kasi ano pa lang first part. Tapos reboot ko na natin. Alexa, reboot.
Annie, please reset.
Permission granted. Rebooting. Restarting. Initialize.
Ayan, okay kunyari ano naman, manual control. Alexa, launch the dictator project.
Affirmative. Annie, launch the dictator program.
Yes, Mom. Welcome to the Dictator Project. Choose your control. Manual or automatic.
I choose Alexa, manual control.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, manual control.
Okay, sir. Granted, you chose manual control, but if you change to other control, just say the password directly. Now, We need the code. What's the code?
Alexa, passcode, Giraffe.
Code's incorrect. Again, we need the code. What's the code?
Alexa, passcode, Giraffe.
Code's incorrect. Again, we need the code. What's the code?
Alexa, giraffe.
Access granted. Annie, the code is giraffe.
Access granted. Initializing. Manual control in T-minus 5 seconds. Counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please talk to Alexa to reboot.
Okay, first part, diba? Tapos reboot na ulit. Alexa, reboot.
Annie, please reset.
Permission granted. Rebooting. Restarting. Initialize.
Ayan guys, yan o. First part pa lang. First part, ganun. Dictator Project, big version. Ayan. That's it. Bye-bye for now.